What's good, YouTube? It's your boy BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 on deck. And today we're going to talk about what's on my device, the accessories that I use, and the setup on my device. So let's get into it. Okay, YouTube. So I got the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So the first thing I want to talk about as far as this device go is accessories. And the first accessory I wanted to use for this device was a case that was thin and minimal, just like this device. So what I'm actually using on my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is a case from Pitaka. This is their aramid fiber case, guys. Very thin, very minimal, and it comes in different colorways. This colorway is called Moonrise, as you can see. Now, this is actually a ring holder that's attached. They sell matching magnetic ring holders. I think it's just a dope vibe. I use this for like a fidget spinner, kickstand, things of that nature. I just love the actual quality of Pitaka aramid fiber and their products, guys. Very dope stuff here. And blue colorway on blue colorway is dope, even though they don't exactly match. When I seen that Samsung was coming with a fire blue device, I was like, yeah, the Pitaka Moonrise definitely have to go on my Z Flip 7. Now, if you've never seen this on my channel before, just a nice thin minimal case with a dope colorway and some great quality aramid fiber. Is you can look back, and I did a whole video on this case, but I'll put a link down in the description if you want to check it out. So also, guys, I had to get some earbuds and another blue colorway. Even though this is a light blue colorway, I'm just okay with everything being blue. And this is the Liberty 4 Pro from actually Soundcore. Very dope pair of earbuds. Got a little screen, touch capacitive button on the wireless charging case, which is just very dope, very futuristic, sound good, got like one of the best apps. You can adjust everything. We got LDAC, you got an equalizer, noise cancellation, you also got a transparency mode. Just a very dope pair of earbuds right here. And last but not least, we got the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025, still getting used to this thing, and the titanium blue colorway. So we all way blued out as far as the Flip 7 and the accessories. Now, right now, what's on my device? This is the first one with the Flip 7. Going to be very simple, guys. You can see I got a nice blue wallpaper, and this wallpaper I actually got from an app called Backdrops. I think it's just a very dope, some dope shades of blue. And as you can see, I didn't really trick out the cover display yet, guys. That's coming. Let me know down in the comment section if you want me to do a video on how to put the apps on the cover screen on the Z Flip 7. Right now, we just got some widgets. We got the Now widget. We got the weather, of course. And of course, we got the date and the time you got to keep up. I also got the optimize your phone widget and the alarm setting widget when I want to set an alarm to remind me to do something, or maybe start a battery test or wake up in the morning, things of that nature. And then, optimize widget, you can just easily clean whatever is going on the background of your device and get the optimal performance with just one click of a actual button. Now, we're going to keep this pretty simple, guys, right here. Not too much going on. Now, first and foremost, we start at the top. I got like the Samsung traditional weather widget, like that's the 2x2. Then also we got the Google Clock widget. Now, if you want to use that Google Clock widget, the only thing that you have to do is download the Google Clock off of the Play Store, and you'll get those Google Clock widgets available to you. We move down and we start to mix the apps with the actual widgets. So this widget right here, guys, I prefer Samsung TVs, and because Samsung has a way of pulling you into that ecosystem too. If you use the Samsung TV and you got Samsung phones, you can use smart things and still utilize your device as a remote, even though it doesn't have an IR blaster. Shout out to the IR blaster to bring that back. But this is just, you can use different Samsung TVs through the house, and I can utilize this device or my S25 Ultra as the remote. So I like this little widget. I think it's a clean widget. And also another clean widget that came out not too long ago, the actual widget for Gemini. Very handy. If I got a question, if I have an idea, if I just want to think about something and learn something more about something, got Gemini right here. So just those. This is a actual something new to actual One UI, and I believe they copied this from Apple. Apple had it first, I believe, creating a stack of widgets. So that's dope. Right here we got the wearable to work on my watch, and we got YouTube Studio, of course, to keep up with YouTube analytics. And I just like to keep the traditional Google search on the home screen when I just want to talk to Google search and I don't want to be in Gemini. So I still find the need for just Google search to be handy. And we got some of the, the best, all the socials. Cause this phone is a lot of fun. This is a social phone. So, and I'm, big on social media because I'm a real live guy. I'm BG Tech Life. I gotta be on social media. I'm like a celebrity out here. So you got Facebook. We got Facebook, BG Tech Life Facebook. If you want to check out that page, Instagram, BG underscore Tech Life. We got X, BG underscore Tech Life. Threads, BG underscore Tech Life. And also on Telegram. We also got a little group. My guys, Team 100. We got a little group on there for the VIP members. If you want to get added, let me know. Just do a lot of little tech talk. And of course, YouTube. You got to have that. Now, old school got the doc right here. And these is all, every just the mandatories. Your phone dollar, messages, of course, Google Messages. Shout out to Samsung for getting rid of that message app and stop trying to compete with Google on things so we can get a universal thing going as far as messages on Android. So Google Messages app. We got Gmail, Chrome, and oh wow, YouTube again. So I gotta figure something out. So let me know in the comments what's an app that I'm missing on my home screen that need to be on home screen. Because I got one app that need to be replaced. Because I got YouTube here and YouTube here. Now, there's not much else going on this device. If you slide to the right, we actually got, my Google Now, just this whole little Google feed right here, guys, that show me right now my phone is in airplane mode, so I'm not going to scroll too crazy. But as you can see, it showed me things that I might like. And to do a good job, I'll come over here sometimes and I'll scroll, get an idea for a video, get some information I didn't have before, or just read a nice little article. So let's get out of that. Okay, back home. Now we swipe to the left again. Boom. Just a nice little calendar. When you got events and things that you need to do and people that you need to meet with, utilize your calendar. So I like a nice big calendar because I'm always in a situation where I need to find a day and date. And then we just go ahead and do one more swipe over. And this is a Gmail account, just to see my mail sometimes. But as far as the style, as you can see, like I said, I got this wallpaper, same wallpaper on my cover display from an actual app called Backdrops on the Play Store. If you wonder why my icon's blue, let's go ahead and check that out for a minute. If you long press right here, we should be able to go to wallpaper and style. So, you go to wallpaper style, you could change your color palette. And that's just, how the different colors, like this light blue text here and things of that nature, how different colors show up, throughout the system, throughout the UI. Go to color palette and you can change, how the colors look and things of that nature, how the buttons look, look pink, boom, just different little swag. I like how customizable One UI is. And this is actually on, stock Google also, but Android is just really getting really good with the customization. But the reason that my actual apps are blue is because I toggled on apply palette to app icons. So that's why my actual icons are blue. Now, some icons may not work. I try, as far as the home screen, I try to make it look sweet, put all the icons that work and things of that nature. But this was a quick one today, guys. I just wanted to show y'all some stuff real quick. Show y'all what I'm actually using with the Z Flip 7. Show y'all how I'm using the Z Flip 7. Like, I don't get these devices and they sit in the drawer. I'm a real player in the game, guys. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button. I'm out. Peace.